Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Google Drive. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to force stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can mix or cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.